That slap was personal.
Everyone get down. She ate it and left no crumbs.
Wow, so cool I could watch this all day.
The beat with the slap got me. What a death stare. Trang. No one fan. Like, I mean, turn down for what?
Your dog is so cute. I would like to adopt that dog.
I would watch this for my whole life.
Leg of the dog needs an Oscar.
It's so funny because I heard the dog say, "Why am I adopted? Please let me out."